Hello mga ka-OA. Good morning. Happy Valentine's. Pagbangon na dira dayo, pagligo na. Tara, abdi ka oy, nakaligo naman. So, paadto na mi sa school mga ka-OA for the go. Abdi ka oy, nakaabot naman sa school. Malamang. Today mga ka-OA is Feb-ibig Day. Feb-ibig.
Through all life's adventures.
Ulit kay dili mi kabati.
Yes, I know. Love is not just a
Naana sa
feeling,
daanan
but a
kasultasan nila
a
pa nga.
commitment to
Masuya man
nurture
ta.
and grow together.
Masuya.
It's about understanding, forgiveness, and unwavering support. It's about celebrating each other's joy and offering in times of sorrow. Pauline and Abigail, you have chosen to symbolize your commitment to one another through the exchange of
Hala, kasuya man di ay.
are the reminder of the
Ni.
promises you are making today. Promises to cherish, support, and love one another.
Hala! Hala, sana all.
May this ring serve